Okay, stage 4 is very similar to stage 3. You're going to create a second query, but this time you're going to search for people living in Durham, and you're also going to sort it, sort the results by age, so they're in sort of descending order of age. Okay, so there's two items we need to search, two criteria we need to really search for and act on here. So, how to do this? We go back to our table, and again I'm going to go to create, and I'm going to go to query design. Again, add in the customer details table. Once that gets there, you can close this down, and again I'm putting in all the column, all the field headings for each one. So we've got address 1, 2 and 3 and everything else in there as well. 3. Let's just do postcode and the all important age bit here, because that's what we're going to sort by on age. Alright, now as we're going through and doing this, what we need to do now, let's have a quick review. Again, our normal table there. We know this time that it's Durham we're looking for, and we know from the last query that's in address 3. So go to criteria, and in there I'm going to type in Durham. Okay. Final part is I'm going to age, and instead of putting anything in the criteria column there in age, what I'm going to do is go to sort and type in ascending. So that basically will put, let's just show you that without doing it. So not sorted, I'm going to click on view, and we've got all the Durham people there, but all the ages are all over the place. So if I go back to design, and I'm going to put in ascending, then go back to view, 15, 16, 17, so go from lower to higher. What we might actually do is do descending. I think that might be the better view. Go to view, and that's better. Okay, so starting at 45, going down, then we put it, and that's the answers to our query. So again, print screens. That would be our first print screen. Must be showing Durham, must be showing you've got this to descending or ascending, whichever one you choose to go to. So we put that in, go back to our database evidence and paste that in there. That's the first print screen. And then the second print screen, as before, is our results. So again, we can print screen that. Make sure you've got them in age order. Okay, that's really important, otherwise you won't get the mark for that one. And if I just click in there and Control V that, there we go, that's in there as well. Now again, what you need to do is explain that this first print screen, what it's showing. So that you're showing here that you've set it up with all the column field headings. You've got Durham as the criteria for address 3, but you've also set age to descend, to be sorted in a descending or ascending order depending on which one you chose. And then again, underneath this second print screen, you need to explain that this is the result showing all the people who live in Durham, but sorted into age, sorted by age. Okay, now that's all the evidence you need in your Word document, but we need to save this query. So I'm going to go to this, I'm going to click on the X. Yes, I want to say this time I'm going to call it Durham. I'm going to click OK, and once that goes through, let's check now. If we go to queries, I've got my Durham query which is just done, and the Leeds query which we're dealing on. That's all the evidence you need for stage 4. Okay.